Connecting your iPhone or Android to your 2016-2022 Toyota Prius Bluetooth system allows hands-free calls and audio streaming. First, access your Prius's infotainment screen and navigate to the Bluetooth menu, usually found under Setup or Settings. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and search for available devices. Select your Prius, e.g. Toyota Prius, from the list. A passkey may appear on the screen. Confirm this on your phone. Once paired, your phone will automatically connect when you enter the car. Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto is standard on 2020 Plus models with compatible head units. Ensure CarPlay Android Auto are enabled on your phone. Ensure your phone's software is up to date with iOS 15 Plus or Android 10 Plus. Outdated software on your phone or Prius can cause pairing issues. If the connection is unstable, reset the Bluetooth module through the vehicle's settings. Signal interference from Wi-Fi routers can disrupt pairing. Try moving away from strong Wi-Fi sources. For older 2016-2018 models, a USB cable may be needed for initial setup, though Bluetooth handles audio and calls afterward. Remember to forget old devices in your phone's Bluetooth settings to prevent conflicts. If all else fails, consult your vehicle's manual or Toyota's support website for specific instructions and updates.